Welcome to Acer Showroom, your ultimate destination for the latest in motorcycling innovation and performance. Today, we delve deep into the Yamaha MT-07 2025, a machine that blends power, agility, and design into a package that's hard to ignore. A legacy of thrills. The Yamaha MT-07 has long been a staple in the world of middleweight motorcycles. For 2025, Yamaha elevates this icon to new heights. Known for its sharp handling, torquey performance, and approachable nature, the MT-07 continues to set benchmarks for urban riders and weekend enthusiasts alike. Engine-refined power with modern efficiency. At the heart of the MT-07 2025 lies the updated 689 cubic centimeters cross-plane parallel twin engine, delivering a thrilling 73.4 horsepower and 67 Nm of torque. Yamaha's engineers have worked tirelessly to refine the engine for smoother power delivery and compliance with the latest emission standards. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or navigating congested city streets, the MT-07's engine provides an exhilarating yet controllable ride. Chassis and handling agile and confident. One of the MT-07's most praised features has always been its chassis, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. With a lightweight diamond frame and optimized suspension settings, this bike feels nimble and planted. The newly designed KYB front forks provide improved feedback, while the rear shock absorber has been retuned for better stability. Whether you're cornering at speed or cruising at a steady pace, the MT-07 gives you confidence every time you ride. Styling bold, minimalist, and futuristic. The 2025 MT-07 takes its aggressive styling to a new level. The revamped LED headlight cluster now features a sleeker design, accompanied by updated body panels and striking new color schemes. Yamaha has managed to blend minimalism with a futuristic edge, ensuring the MT-07 stands out in any crowd. Technology smarter than ever. For 2025, Yamaha has introduced a 5-inch full-color TFT display, offering intuitive access to essential information like speed, gear position, and fuel level. The new display also supports smartphone connectivity, enabling riders to access navigation, calls, and notifications seamlessly. Additionally, the MT-07 now includes selectable riding modes and traction control, catering to both seasoned riders and beginners alike. Comfort and practicality built for everyday use. The redesigned seat and improved ergonomics ensure all-day riding comfort. Yamaha has also focused on refining the bike's aerodynamics, offering better wind deflection for those longer highway journeys. With a manageable 805mm seat height and a curb weight of just 184 kilograms, the MT-07 remains an accessible choice for riders of all sizes. Why the MT-07 2025 stands out. The Yamaha MT-07 2025 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It's for those who demand a perfect blend of performance, style, and practicality in their daily rides. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first middleweight machine or an experienced enthusiast seeking the ultimate in versatility, the MT-07 has something special to offer. Stay tuned with Acer Showroom. That's all for today's feature on the Yamaha MT-07 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to Acer Showroom for more updates, reviews, and insights into the world of motorcycling. See you next time.